Hello everyone, welcome to today's day in the life of window cleaner. It's Monday 20th of July. Me and Matthew, we've got 20 cleans. There's Matthew. We're working in the village that side of me, back to home, and then the next village down there. So all fairly local. Will we do it? Who knows? You know what it's like window cleaning. 1 minute everything's all right and then something just goes against you and then you're chasing all day to get to a point where you still finish at a good time. It's just the way window cleaning is, really, isn't it? But there we go. Let's see if we can do it. This is the first property of the day for me and Matthew to clean. Matthew starts around the back of this one. I start at the front. And obviously we're starting with the top windows and then we drop down to the lower windows. The windows I've got below here, as you can see, it's cordoned off because they've got a chicken pen, so the chickens keep me company on this one, and I've got to be a bit clever here using my pole and just doing the best I can. So far I've never had any complaints, so it's fine cleaning the window that way. I've moved round to the side here now. Matthew's cleaned the window to the left. I'm starting on this window. You'll see later on that I have to go to the van, get out a different spare pole that I have, and I put on a glass scraper to get rid of some stubborn bird poo. And then I've started on the lower windows again. This is house number 2 of the day. For this one, it's the second time we've cleaned a house. But it's a bit exposed. It's in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by fields. And you can probably tell by the state of the frames that the windows were quite dirty. This is clean number 4 of the day for me and Matthew. On this property, I'm the one who started around the back. Matthew started around the front, and we do a side each. You can see I've started on the window to the rear here. That's a bit awkward to reach because you've got this like extended roof or porch, whatever you want to call it. So I've had to extend my pole, reach over there, but it's not too bad. And then I just moved to the right, doing these last 2 windows on the uppers at the rear of the property. And you can probably tell that the sun was out, so blue skies, not a bad day at all weather-wise, really. The reason why I started with the top left window above this porch was because sometimes in these situations I find the water can still dribble down between the wall and where the porch roof is, and you get a very slow trickle constantly of water coming down. Which means when I come to clean this window, or in this case patio doors, you get the problems with the water running down and you have to wait for it to stop. So that's why I figured if I started there first, it'd avoid that problem. And that's why I did then the next 2 windows across. So when I come onto these, by then everything's all fine, easy to clean. You can see I've got bits of pollen on the glass. There's a few cases of that on this day, but that's the hot weather for you. Clean number 6. For this one, I'm round the back. Matthew starts at the front. So for once, I'm actually in the shade on a sunny day. So I don't mind this. A lot of windows on this house. But what we like here is they're brilliant customers. Always ask after my whole family. And me and Matthew, we always, without fail, get offered a cup of tea. They're wooden windows. They do get varnished once a year, so they're in good nick really, and leaded windows as well, but with the brush that I'm using, absolutely no problem. Clean number 10 of the day. We're now in a different village, Murrow. It's just the next village down from where I live, so again, all local today. And this is the only one window I've got to clean like that on this house. Luckily I just stepped to the left now and I'm cleaning it nice and easy, and everything from here is straightforward. Matthew's around the back and I'm around the front. Clean number 11 of the day. I'm around the front. Obviously that means Matthew's around the back on this property, and we've only got one side of this building to do, so that's to my left, down between the fence and the house. There's 2 windows and a door down there to clean, but it's easy enough to do. We do clean the house to the left of this, but it's alternate months. This one's every 4 weeks, the neighbour's every 8. Me and Matthew are now on clean number 14 of the day. I'm at the front of the house and I go down to the right hand side. Matthew goes round on the left hand side and to the rear of this property. So yeah, can't complain. Weather's been good. We're out here, we're working. It's a little bit warm, but it's no way near as hot as those really big hot days we've had. So all in all, it's been a good day. Clean number 15 of the day. I'm at the front, Matthew's round the back. It's a bungalow, and there is, as you'll see towards the end of this clean, a conservatory, which is where me and Matthew basically meet up on this one. And I do find it's nice to have a mixture of houses and bungalows during your day. It does break it up a bit, and when you've got a couple of these bungalows on the bounce, it kind of feels like you're getting a bit of a rest. Although I must say, I think sometimes the bungalows can work out taking longer to clean than when you're doing a house. That's it, that's me and Matthew done. All 20 cleans done and dusted. We got some solar panels done in as well for one of our customers. So we got that as a Brucey bonus for the day. Weather's been good, and yeah, just repeat it again tomorrow now. Anyway, thanks for joining along. Subscribe, like, all the good stuff helps me out. If you've got any comments or questions, stick them in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.